Distractions are preventing you from living a fulfilling life, but not the biggest thing. The biggest thing that's stopping you, you're not taking full responsibility for your priorities. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify your distractions and your priorities so that you can get started. Distractions such as pornography, video gaming, drugs, any other form of addiction, and overcomplicating the very simple task ahead of you, these are all forms of distraction. All your distractions, they have a reason to exist. Otherwise, they wouldn't be there. Distractions is like a buffer between you and whatever you're trying to achieve. It helps alleviate some of that anxiety that you feel when you look at where you should be and then where you are right now. And hell, you're not there. So once you understand that distractions all serve a purpose, we need to take stock of what our priorities are. So first, you need to sit down, pen and paper. You have to do some homework here if you want to change your life around. Write down what your priorities are, 1, 2, and 3. Hey, for me, it's my spirit, my family, and my body. 1, 2, and 3. These are my priorities. These are my overarching themes. The last but not least, once you know what your priorities are, you can simply reverse engineer. Hey, what about this priority do I believe is making it difficult to achieve? And how are my distractions helping me solve those problems? Reverse engineering your beliefs about your priorities that this is too hard. This will be too difficult. This will require me to sacrifice time, sleep, or energy, or money. Knowing what these beliefs are, you can then understand why your distractions are in place. Once you have this foundational understanding about how distractions serve a purpose and how your priorities, you are holding certain beliefs about them, which make it a little bit more difficult. You're using distractions to stop yourself. You're using distractions to make life a little bit more bearable. But I'm here telling you today, that is not the road to success. You need to sit down, understand where you're going and what's stopping you. So that's my homework for you today. If you like this video, you find it useful, go ahead and subscribe and like, and leave a comment on what you're struggling with. Take care.